Good morning, friends. Today we discuss on the topic: is IPL good for Indian cricket team or not? Now, cricket is only encouraged in India, and the cricket team is like a second religion. Everyone thinks cricket is as a national sport. If anyone asks which is a national sport in India, then everyone answered that cricket is a national sport. But actually, hockey is a national sport. But everyone is saying that cricket is a national sport. So while coming to the IPL is Indian Premier League. It is actually being encouraged along with the cricket, and IPL is meant for developing the countries, developing the poor villages, and the money which is coming or the funds which is getting through IPL is used for developing the poor children or increase the studies and all. This IPL is meant for getting a good coordination between different players.
Yeah, but what you're saying is completely true. But is it really happening? Like the income that is generated by IPL, is it really being used for social purposes? I don't think so, because we can see when we read many newspapers, we see that there are many cases of corruption, and even Lalit Modi was charged of many crimes for that. I think the money that the income that is generated is being diverted to many private lines. And
apart from you are saying that income, but what I know that IPL is only based on for Indian talent. IPL is introduced for developing the Indian cricket and to launch the new players for new generation. From the past we have seen lot of players, but for the future we need some more players. For that I think IPL is need for Indian cricket.
Yes, I completely agree with you. IPL is acting as a platform for improvement of the talent and encouraging the talent of Indian people. So it's acting as a platform to bring the talents which are hidden in various places. So unless and until you are provided with a perfect platform, you cannot further excel in your field. For example, if you are having a great talent,
also Ranji Trophies, why only IPL?
See,
We also have so many other platforms.
okay.
Ranji, you cannot get an international exposure. In Ranji, we have to face the only Indian situation, Indian condition. But in IPL, the sports foreign players are allocated for a team in a match. So we can get an international exposure and we can
apart
know.
from international exposure, you have to set the only platform for the Indian players to bring the talent. So why is the international exposure?
So, okay, international exposure is completely
have to face,
necessary. So cricket is not only played in India, but across the globe, right?
Even the international players are also.
So they can extend the knowledge. So if suppose the bowler Dale Steyn is perfect bowler. So he is interacting with the players of Hyderabad team, and he is extending his knowledge and all. So in the similar way,
You in the coaching staff, you don't see the coaching staff in a cricket team, a national cricket team, that in IPL the teams have better coaching staff, which means that we can gain more knowledge and we have more scope for learning the cricket.
See, we are always saying that the Indian talent is being encouraged, but when you talk about the cost that the money they pay for buying the players, it's most of the Indian players are not being paid to that much level. When we see the previous seasons, most of the foreign players were being bought for much more money than compared to the Indian players who actually get encouraged. Yes, but he's already a national player. Right? I'm talking about the youth that is yet
Coming to youth, you see Karan Sharma, he is charged 3 crores. An Indian player like Amrit Rayudu is an 4 crores, he is an icon, retained the team. Karan Sharma did not play any match, but he gained 3 crores. But it's increasing its money and new talent.
it's simply based upon the talent you have, and based on the talent they charge the amount. And generally it happens for biddings, not as a simply salary paycheck and all. So okay, as bidding, it depends upon the owner's issue. Owners.
I get all your answers, but even the players about
many
it. So
aspirants who are ready to, who are willing to play in international cricket, but there are only 11 members are playing in cricket. What about the remaining players? They are still practicing. It is better opportunity that IPL is giving money to those players. See, we all know that a lot of money is involved in IPL, right? So obviously, match fixing issues and spot fixing issues are rising by the day. We also saw that Srisanth was alleged for the spot fixing.
You are talking about match fixing is different from spot fixing. Spot fixing will not affect the match conditions.
But it is against the match rules.
It's against your ethical model. If you are bad, then it's your mistake, not the entire IPL.
I think it is an opportunity to find the one who has bidding, who has exposed to bidding and fixing. If he will do in international matches, it definitely lose our Indian respect.
Yeah, I
even
completely agree with that.
about the culture, we are talking the cheerleaders and so on, and they're being threatened by the people around the stadium and it's.
You are talking about cheerleaders, not in Sahara Pune was a team.
Even
For 2 years, the Indian culture is used for the cheerleaders. So it's belong to their team.
I think the unity of India may be destroyed from IPL, and everyone has support their own state instead of supporting. I am an Indian. I am from Chennai. I am Chennai supporting. This will definitely go. Yes, but it's only in the spirit of competition, right? We are not going waging wars with each other based on this issue.
See, that's all their personal issues, and they are not fighting because for the team. They are just really fighting for the team in the ground. But,
It's not fighting, it's a sportsman's spirit.
yeah,
They play,
they're just really
they
really involved in a fight because of their personal issues and all. So, and he's talking about the culture and all. So every country has got their own culture. So culture is not the only main criteria for the development of the player. I mean, socially and all. So if you completely stick to your culture and all, see, if you completely stick to your culture and all, so are you sure that you will get a place in Indian cricket team? No. Is it right? Isn't it right?
We are not concerned about the development of India. We are concerned about the development of India.
So, okay,
If Indian team has to develop, then the players have to be developed and they have to be.
if you get a better player, then Indian team will definitely develop.
Then it is better players and guys the beatings and everyone
Yeah.
should get the equal amount.
So the best player is getting them a higher amount. So basing on that, the other player also may try to motivate himself.
Then we talk about the Yoga Singh is the best of the best player and got the main
So,
highest
we are talking about the equality in the cost.
And when he used to not play in the World Cup, he used to get together people,
People used to attack his house.
That's why we have said that the cricket is being a religion. They are worshipping that India has to win.
Yeah, they're taking it too seriously. So if you consider it as a game and just leave it with, after switching on the TV, then it will be fine. So they are taking it extremely personal. If India is losing a match, they are feeling that they have lost completely their country. So it shouldn't be like that. If you can just see it as a game and all, so then it would be definitely helpful, and there would be no threatenings and all to the other people and all.
At IPL 2020, mainly 2020 matches, will definitely spoil the format of the cricket.
So we have discussed that IPL is good or bad for Indian cricket. As coming to IPL's influence on other sports, we have seen that many other sports are encouraging the leagues like ISL, Indian Soccer League for football, Pro Kabaddi for Kabaddi, and IBL, Indian Badminton League, and HIL, Hockey India League. So we can say that from they are bad and good, but apart from that, we are considering the good. There is a lot of talent and a lot of scope for developing the cricket, not only cricket but also the sports in India, other sports.